This is gorgeous. Y'all know Ywigs got me right. Ywigs. Click the link down below to go get yours. Ooh, a pink clip. So I have 3 bundles of Wet and Wavy. And again, this is the human bulk hair, so it comes with no track. It's just loose bulk hair. This is gorgeous. Then I'll send 3 bundles of the Afro Kinky hair, and I'll wrap this around the top to create the lock. Same thing, human hair that's in bulk. See, it's a kinky texture. Click the link down below to shop Ywigs. And the 2 main products I'm using on my hair is this locking gel. I don't like it, but I need to use it up. And then I'm using this flaxseed gel that I made. Of course, edge control, flaxseed gel. Start off braiding my natural hair. Add a piece of human hair. Pull that hair out. Then when I have about this much left, add my human hair. Split it up and get it even so I can braid it down. And I'm just making sure I braid past my hair, which is about here. See? It's in there. You can see I added the hair in about here and stopped about here. And if you want, you could definitely take a skinny piece of hair out and do a knot. Maybe that's what I should do since I'm not burning them. But I don't think it's going anywhere. Add a rubber band right here at the end. But I know for sure once I wrap it, it's really not going nowhere. It's not going anywhere now. All right, now let's wrap some. Ooh. Fluff it out. Same thing, edge control on the tips. Let's crochet this through. Or you can just wrap it, up to you. Put this with the braid. And let's wrap. Okay, let's pull out this human hair. Keep wrapping. I'm kind of pulling some of the hair away as I wrap so that it's not like really neat. So let's just keep wrapping this all the way down till I get to the end of it. And wrap back up to secure it. Wrap down, up. Okay. So probably about 2 pieces per braid, it seems like. And then here I'm going to start off a little higher than where I stopped at. Add it to the lock and then twist around. A little rough. So now I'm getting to the end. I go up, I go down, I go back up. And then this way I shouldn't have to add any nail glue or anything. But if you find yours coming a loose still, add nail glue. I'm going up, down, all the way until I run out of hair. Now that's what I'm talking about. Just perfect. This is some good hair to wrap with. Okay, let me keep going. Let's go ahead and pull out 2 pieces. I kind of pre-section it a little. Edge control, and make sure they are fluffy. That way it cover up more of the lock. Pull the shorter side through. Pair that with the braid. See how much extra hair I have over here? That's good enough. Pretty taut. That's the word, taut. And we're gonna work our way down. Let's get out that curly piece. Okay, let's get this up and down. That's all for this. Wrap up, wrap down. I wish I could finish my hair today, but I'm not going to finish. I'm not. Okay, so I wrapped all of the back ones. And so far, this is how much of the wet and wavy I have left. And this is how much I have left of the Afro Kinky. And this is still the first bundle of both. Alright, so now I'm going to take a break and I'll be back. First of all, I have Vaseline on my face because I just did a mask and it made my face really, really dry. And then I tried to make me like a little pimple patch with some tape. So that's what that is. So I just switched my hair up just a bit. Again, I'm not adding any synthetic hair anymore. But I have started to add in a lot more of the human hair. So I'm using thicker pieces here. Again, edge control and my flaxseed gel. This is about how much hair I'm adding in each lock. So for some of them, like this one, I just added all of this in at one time. So it looked real big and bulky right there. I'm gonna have to do a lot of work when I go to wrap it. But then like this one, I used the same amount of hair, but I fed it in 3 different times. So that's how I'm going to do, just to make it not so thick and lumpy in one spot. And you see the difference, like in the back, this is how much hair I was adding. And then in the front, this is how much hair I'm adding. Which is cool, so it's not like too much hair and I have more volume at the top. So, perfect. And here, start off with a braid. Start off with my natural hair, braiding it. Add in the smaller piece of human hair. Then I bring it around to continue my braid. Then pull out that curly hair. I usually like to pull it out a little earlier than this, but hey. Hey. Braid that down, and then I just start adding in, hold on. I need a little bit more of this flaxseed gel because I see it's looking a little dry, so I add more. And this does make it harder to grip, but I don't want too much of like my end sticking out. Then I add in the 3 pieces, back to back. And braid that down just a little bit past my hair, just enough for it to stay, you know. Okay, I feel like that's grip in there pretty well. Then I take a small piece and just do a little slip knot. And also, if you can't do a slip knot or you don't want to do a slip knot, just add a rubber band, whatever, to keep the hair there until you go to wrap it. Not going anywhere. And baby, they look a mess, but that's okay. Alright, so I wanted to come on and show you guys what 2 packs of human wet and wavy hair look like. Show you guys what it looked like before I start on my 3rd pack. This hair is gorgeous. Like, it's so gorgeous. And I'm definitely going through a lot more hair since I'm adding more hair, which is perfect because I have 1 more pack of hair left, and the back I didn't add as much hair, so it worked out. Okay, I'm ready to go take a nap. Oh yeah, so this is all I have left from the Afro Kinky hair. So I was able to achieve like more than half of my head with just 1 pack of the Afro Kinky hair. I just have these 2 rows to finish wrapping. It's so cute, but it's definitely taking a long time.
Alright, so really quick, I wanted to say that if your hair is longer than mine, I did see some girls on YouTube braiding their natural hair down and then folding it up and applying a rubber band so that it's not longer than the lock that you wrap. Because to me, the entire purpose of the mermaid lock is to have more of the curly hair exposed versus like a regular lock where you twist it all the way down.
Again, here's the amount of hair I'm using in the front. Add my edge control. Split this 3 times. Then I already have 2 of the Afro hair separated already. And then we're gonna need some hair to put at the top. All right, edge control, which is making my hair extra dry and a little white. Flaxseed gel. Start off by braiding my natural hair. Adding a smaller piece of the wet and wavy human hair. Braid that down. Pull that section out. Continue to braid down. Then about midway, start to feed in my 3 pieces of the wet and wavy hair. Gradually. At first I was doing it all at once, but then I have a huge lump right here. Because when you do it that way, it's just too much work trying to cover it up with the Afro hair. So then when I make it to the bottom of my hair, go ahead and add a slip knot, maybe 3-4 times. Take my latch hook, put that through the base, then crochet that Afro hair through just one side. Then put the straight piece down in my hand with the braid. And then I wrap pretty taut and then start to work my way down. Go ahead and pull out that curly piece. Continue to wrap down, kind of pulling on the hair to get it like a little messy. Go up, go down. Then go ahead and add the second piece of my Afro hair. I'll do that a little tight and then just wrap regular. And then up, down. And that way you don't have to add any nail glue. And that's it. Alright, last one. Finally. I never thought the time would come. I really didn't. Because baby.
And let me say big shout outs to whoever the original creator of the Mermaid Locs is. I've seen so many videos on YouTube, so I have no clue who to shout out because baby, this was genius. I love this style of locks, of like faux locks, way better than any other style. Like whether it's wrapping it all the way to the end with a little curl, wrapping it all the way to the end with no curl. But this style where you have, you know, just that little portion of the locks and then all of this curly hair exposed, baby, genius. And then if you use human hair on top of that, even better. So you guys make sure you click the link down below and go check out Ywigs human bulk hair because it's the best. Like their hair is hands down the best. And you're going to see a little bit at the end of the video how my hair looks when I define the curl, but to get more detail in how I define the curls to get them to be so buttery and curly, click the link down below so you can watch that video.
Finally, and I use all of the wet and wavy hair, all of it except for this. Perfect. This was so worth it. That's how it be. You complain, but those ending results, this is really gorgeous. I love how it's so much hair left out. Like, it's so long, so neat. I usually don't add mousse to like my braids, but I'm going to add some and see if I can get rid of like this white residue. Okay, that look good. Alright, so it's like 4 days later. I am done with my hair, ready to put on my clothes, but I'm ready to put on this same sweater again because I want to take pictures with my locks in this sweater. So we're going to put this back on today. And then my sneakers that I got from Walmart that everybody was raving about on TikTok, I went and got them. So we're going to throw this on in the mix as well. Okay.
to the side, it eats down. Middle part bust down, you know it eats. This is gorgeous. It's so lovely. It is a vibe from head to toe. It's such a vibe. Okay, so really quick recap. I used all 3 bundles of the Wet and Wavy human hair. And then I used almost 2 full packs of the Afro Kinky human hair that I wrapped the locks with, because I had, you know, maybe a third left over. And I used about half of a pack of the synthetic hair that I started off braiding in the back with, you know, so that I can get that length. This style took me about 17-18 hours. It took a minute. And I did it over the course of 3 days. The hair is wonderful. It's really, really good quality human hair. And I think I like this mermaid lock style where you leave out a lot more of the human hair. I really think I love this way better than the regular lock hair where the lock go all the way down to the bottom and then you leave like a little bit out. I love this style more. It's a vibe. It looks amazing. I can't say that enough. Okay. Alright, so a little update 6 days later. This is what my hair looks like. I wanted to show you guys how the hair looks curly. So I have a separate video defining my curls as well as the takedown. So go check that out. Link down below.
My hair is gorgeous. Alright, I think I'm about 90% dry. Like, my hair isn't hard, but it's definitely defined. I can't get enough. I still think I like it fluffy, but defined look good as well. Which one do you like best? The defined curls or fluffy wavy look? I'm done talking, Tommy. You done talking? So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. All right, that's all for now. See you guys.
Bye-bye.